you need to submit documents to Snapchat for account approval, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your submission is successful. Step 1. Prepare your documents. Gather the necessary documents required for account approval. This may include a government-issued ID, proof of address, or any other identification that Snapchat specifies. Step 2. Access the Snapchat support page. Open your web browser and navigate to the Snapchat support page. Look for the section related to account issues or document submission. Step 3. Select the appropriate form. Find and select the form that pertains to account approval or document submission. Make sure you are choosing the correct option to avoid delays. Step 4. Fill out the form. Complete the form with accurate information. Ensure that all fields are filled out correctly and that you attach the prepared documents as required. Step 5. Submit your requests. Review your submission for accuracy, then click the Submit button. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your documents have been sent for review. Once you've completed these steps, keep an eye on your email for any updates or requests for additional information from Snapchat.